This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use YNAB effectively, full guide. Open YNAB and create broad categories, then break them into specific jobs like groceries and utilities, assign dollars to each job, and set realistic targets. Use scheduled transactions for fixed bills and review your categories weekly to adjust. Keep syncing with your bank daily and reconcile, often so your numbers always reflect reality and you stay confident with your plan. Organize categories around what matters to you and label them simply so decisions are quick and clear. Use subcategories for nuances like groceries versus dining out to spot trends. Assign targets or goals to build up funds for bills, emergency savings, or one-time expenses. Review totals weekly and move funds between categories when priorities change, keeping your plan flexible yet intentional so you always know where your money should go. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides for you. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice and enjoy a fresher ride while budgeting. I've linked it and other deals in the description for your convenience, and it's a small treat that makes errands nicer. Now let's get back to the video. Treat YNAB like a daily habit and make checking it part of your routine each morning or evening. Fund savings goals at the start of the month so you avoid reactive spending later. Reconcile accounts every few days to catch mistakes and keep balances accurate. Use the built-in reports to spot trends, like a 3.5% increase in dining, and adjust categories to stay on track toward your goals without stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.